So let's say I'm interested as a teacher to find out what targeted approaches could benefit students with ADHD in my classroom. I can then go to the MetaSENse website, which is part of the website for the Center of Educational Neuroscience. And if I scroll to the toolkit, I have then to give my details. This is just so we can track who is using the toolkit and in what capacity, but we will not use it for any marketing materials. And so there's lots of options I can tick. So I could, for example, tick that I'm interested in targeted approaches that are where the manual or the information is available in English. And I'm not going to tick too many options, but I'm going to type here. This is where I can go and say, I'm interested in targeted approaches for students with ADHD. And if I then click on this, as you can see, it gives me a number of search results. Some of those that relate to reading, improving reading outcomes, some that improve maths and reading, or others. And then I can also look at what the quality of that evidence is. So there are some that have high quality, as well as what the outcome is. And so as you can see, there are some approaches that have been found to be effective, some that have been found to be ineffective, and some where, we don't have sufficient evidence yet. And so then when I click on one of these, I'm going to just randomly click on one of them. So say peer-assisted learning strategies as an approach. This overview then tells me what this approach entails, also how it can improve learning outcomes for students, as well as who it's beneficial for. And then it tells me what the evidence is. So there's currently 2 studies in the MetaSENse toolkit that have evaluated this particular approach. You can then read more about what these studies have found. So there's a short description of each study. And then at the bottom here, there's a link that will take you automatically to where you can find out more about this peer-assisted learning strategy.